So I made a video yesterday, or the day before actually, the one about the police, how the police wouldn't let me report a crime. And I said in it about how I changed my name, I didn't want to have to use the name Christian because it was my ex-husband's name, and I didn't want to use the name Claydon because I had a real kind of bad feeling towards my parents for a long time, and my brother's name, obviously, I don't want to be associated with that prick. For a while, when I was on Facebook, I used a kind of double-barrelled name. I called myself on Facebook Emma Claydon Christian. Interesting, eh? See them trying to fuck with my phone again? See the little fingers moving? Don't like it, do they? Don't like it when you expose what it is that they're doing, these dirty fucking Freemason cunts.